Good morning, I am Daniel and today I am demonstrating how to solve tutorial 4 portfolio problem. The system I have been set to identify contains a motor attached to a weight through a gearbox and a spring, which is then attached to a fixed object through another spring and a dampener. A note of importance, the armature from the motor also has a mass that needs to be accounted for. I started with the electrical system and built the system from there. Power M will equal the resistance of this circuit times the amperage through it, plus the voltage dissipated by the motor. We can then replace amperage and voltage dissipated by the motor with the two motor fundamental constants. This will be called number 1. Now the mechanical side. First, move the armature mass to the same side as the load mass to the gearbox. This will aid calculations. The plot of all the torque responses around the armature's mass, this will all equal the torque input from the motor and be called number 2. Next, sum all torques around the load's mass. This will be set to equal theta load, called number 3. Sub 3 into number 2 to make a complete torque equation for both the masses. This will be called number 4. Next, sub number 4 into the electrical side from number 1. Pull the theta motor from the equation, then divide by voltage in to get number 5. At this point, rearrange number 3 to have 1 over the motor. And we'll put theta motor out the front, then call this one number 6. Sub 5 into 6, and we get the equation inverted, so that theta motor is on top of the voltage in. Break down the equation so it is no longer over 4 lines. Then, once the numerator is stable at K1 N1 over N2, break up the denominator so variables can be inserted with greater ease. Sub in variables and collect all like terms. Lastly, we divide all terms by 0.0018 to get the first polynomial S4 by itself. This will give you your final answer. Thank you for listening. I hope my speech impediment did not make this too difficult for you. And like and subscribe.